No, Boozy, not gonna happen with the branch. Come on, man.
To break the branch?
Yeah, stand up and break it, please. Come on.
Oh,
Stand up.
Plus you gotta film it.
Anyways, you spooked all the fish, so let's see what you're gonna do now.
let's make a YouTube movie.
Look at them, they're on the...
I'm ready for you to fall in.
I'm
Here-
waiting
here
for
we
the
go.
board to break.
To my
Here.
house anymore?
We got it, we got it.
Falling for the content.
There we go.
Fall in for the content, we'll get way more views.
Oh, my dad.
Fall in, we'll get way more views. And we'll tell it, a man has fallen into the water in Wisconsin Dells.
Man is falling into the river in Lego City.
So we let the bluegill go? Or no?
No, we're gonna keep some more.
Okay. I'll fall quick time.
I know you will.
Let me do it, Tati.
Yeah, you weigh less. And you're taller.
Taller.
Yeah, but you weigh less.
Tati, should I do it?
Just don't get it stuck in your finger now.
Did we catch a fish though?
No. We got stuck on the branch. What do you mean we got? Come on. Yeah, we caught the branch.
We should eat it for dinner.
Any kind of fish.
A branch.
Guys, how many do you think we're gonna catch?
Aaron, I'm gonna throw.
And look in the sky too makes it super dizzy.
Let me do it. Huh?
You're gonna fall.
You know what Walter is?
You have a knife?
We don't know what the
Pussy, you're gonna pay big time for this.
I've heard of it, but I can't remember what it was.
Where is it?
Hello.
Just pull on it. I'll search it up when I get home and remember.
The paddle's gonna go and we're gonna have to buy a new one now.
Oh, the paddle fell. Oh, Pussy, you cursed me.
No, I didn't. Just bite it off. Come on already.
Man, it's so green.
Be like me in the worm.
Bite off.
And all the bluegills are gone. Nice.
It's okay.
The boy in the worm.
We'll find the
paddle's
bluegills.
right next to him. It's fine. I mean, it's not gonna drift off. Though.
Oh, they're all over there. I see.
I know. We'll catch him.
Are you trying to break the branch?
There we go. We got it. We got it. It's off. It's off.
Nice.
Thank you.
Okay, get.
Yalla.